Okay, so these are the items that I got to accomplish this gift basket. So first I got these cute little Sesame Street baby wipes. I got this really cute pacifier. It says Hello Sunshine. And then I got this pink bottle. This is to clean out the bottles. This is so necessary when you have a baby. Little baby sock. Look how cute these socks are. Like, come on now. And then a cute little Elmo bib. I actually got a few Sesame Street stuff, so it kind of goes with the theme, you get me? And then I also, this was just too cute to pass by. Like, it's a cute little pig hand towel. And then I got this ice cream shaped tea thing. And then I got the basket to top it off. Also with this little bow. So now I'm going to show you guys how to get a super cute basket on a budget.
So this part, Chelsea, I think she was trying to explain it, but she ended up not explaining it. Anyway, so yeah, so you have all your stuff, you have your 10 items, or your 9 items, and you're just gonna stuff it from big to small. Try to show off the pacifier, the shoes, the piglet, the Elmo, you know, the expensive, more looking stuff, and then, you know, throw a big bow on top of it and call it a day. I mean, there's the bow. There it is. Oh, it looks great.